Okay, welcome back. Today we are subtracting fractions. You may have seen the previous video adding fractions where we just added the numerators, and guess what? Subtracting fractions is exactly the same. So here are some examples. We have 7/16, take 4/16, and the only thing we're subtracting is the numerator. So our answer is 7 take 4 over 16, which is 3 on 16, and that's it. We can't do anything else with that fraction. Remember, only the numerators. If we took away on the denominators, we'd have 3 over 0, which isn't great. Okay, another example. 9/24, take 1/24. Okay, just like before, subtract the numerators. That gives us 8. Okay, and this fraction can simplify. Top and bottom can divide by 8. 8 divided by 8 is 1. 24 divided by 8 is 3. So there we have it, 1/3. Awesome. Now we'll do some subtractions where the numerators are not the same. So 2/3 take 1/6. And I look at this and I say, great, I need the numerators to be the same. So if I double the top and bottom of this fraction, it is equivalent to 4/6. And now we can go ahead and subtract. 4 take 1 is 3. And this can simplify. Dividing top and bottom by 3, we get 1/2. Done. So we used a few steps there. Okay, now what about another really crazy example? Okay, looking here, both of these denominators are completely different. I can't turn one into the other, but like with adding, I can multiply both fractions by the other denominator. So 13 on 7, the other denominator is 5. So we have 13 times 5. And 2/5, the other denominator is 7. So multiply like that. Okay. Now we do these multiplications. 13 times 5 is 65. Yeah, mistakes happen. We can just write over them. Great. Okay, now we subtract. 65 take 14 is 51. Great. So I look at this and I say, can I divide out and simplify? And it looks like no. 51 can divide by a few things. It can divide by 3. It can divide by 17. 35 can only divide by 5 or 7. So that's it. We're done. Okay. Have a good day.